Cocaine is no longer a hidden drug. In parts of Europe, you can get it faster than food delivery. It's cheap, widely available, and driving violence, addiction, and organized crime on a massive scale. Around 2.7 million Europeans aged 15 to 34 use cocaine every year. While alcohol and tobacco use are falling, cocaine use is rising fast. Production is at historic highs, and Europe has become the world's most profitable cocaine market. Cocaine fits modern life perfectly. It's quick, discreet, and keeps people awake, confident, and productive. At least at first. People use it to party longer, work longer, or feel socially comfortable. Cocaine floods the brain with dopamine, the chemical linked to motivation and reward, increasing levels by 200 to 400%. The high peaks quickly, then crashes. With repeated use, the brain adapts. Euphoria fades, confidence remains inflated, and users take more just to feel normal. Mixing cocaine with alcohol creates cocaethylene, a toxic compound that stays longer in the body and raises the risk of sudden death by up to 25 times. Long-term use increases the risk of heart attacks, paranoia, aggression, depression, and personality changes. As cocaine floods Europe, violence follows. Journalists, lawyers, and bystanders have been murdered. Gangs use intimidation, torture, and killings to control the trade. Europe is no longer just a consumer, it's a battlefield. Cocaine promises control, confidence, and freedom, but over time, it delivers dependence, damage, and loss. It doesn't make life bigger, it slowly takes it apart. Talking about it, honestly, is where prevention starts.